Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong reading para sa inyong love life. Ayan. So, titingnan natin yung energies ng inyong buhay pag-ibig. So, if you are interested, so this is January love reading para sa inyo. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let us see. Aries, what is up sa inyong love life? Six of Wands. Marami kayong admirers. Pero kahit na may mga interesado sa inyo, parang hindi kayo interesado sa kanila. Pwedeng you are still dealing with a conflict with someone. Yes, definitely. This is a conflict with someone. Pwedeng merong miscommunication, misunderstanding with someone. Pero, you are still trying your best na, to live your life, to be happy. Pero kapag, pag wala na pag mag-isa ka na lang, iniisip mo, hindi ka pa rin masaya sa situation mo, sa relationship. Maybe you're looking for something na wala sa'yo, syempre. Oo. So, parang may discontent. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kahit nasa relationship na kayo, hindi nyo pa rin, parang feeling nyo may kulang. Pwedeng lagi kayo nag-aaway. Minsan nasa stress na kayo. Parang ano ba? Saan napapunta yung relationship? O, diba? I'm tired of being away from you physically. I'm trying to process my fears so I can come back to you. So, ayun nga, pwedeng, metaphorical na kung ano yung dati yung pinagsamahan before, ay ibang-iba na sa kung ano yung meron kayo ngayon. I've hurt you and I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me someday and understand I was reacting in fear. So, puro fears. Oo, may takot sa relationship na to. Pwedeng natatakot kayo mag-all-in sa relationship na to. Yung tipong natatakot kayong sumugal sa relationship na to. Meron ditong nagkasakitan no? Pwedeng physical or verbally may nasaktan dahil sa mga sinabi nung isa. As twin flames, we are here to ascend and help others to do the same. So, siguro there was a time in your relationship na talagang sobrang naging very, very close kayo na akala nyo kayo na yung para sa isa't isa. But eventually, na-realize nyo na parang na-outgrow nyo yung isa't isa over time. I want to hold you in my arms and feel our bodies unite as one. So there's still passion in this relationship. Sometimes you miss the person, lalo na kapag hindi na kayo nagkakasama, kung hindi na kayo magkasama ngayon. But alam mo yung tipong kulang, no? Kahit na meron kayong intimacy, physical touch, it seems na parang you are both going to different paths na, no? Magkaiba na yung inyong landas na gustong tahakin. And some of you are busy sa kanya-kanyang trabaho, sa kanya-kanya ninyong career, at doon nag-e-enjoy kayo. When it comes to your relationship, you feel that something is lacking. Oo. So, saan papunta tong connection? Where is this going? Two of Wands. You need to make a decision whether ipagpapatuloy mo to o hindi. Oh my God. Oh, my death rebirth. There's an ending here. Definitely. So, I see some changes in your direction, no? Pwedeng sa ngayon half-hearted ka, tipong hindi ka pa makapag-decide, but eventually I see you starting a new life. Starting all over again and ending a situation na you feel na hindi ka na deeply connected. Oo. Minsan ganun eh. Kailangan maramdaman natin that we are deeply connected to the person or invested tayo sa relationship. Otherwise, hindi natin mararamdaman yung growth. So, what is the message, advice for Aries? Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. So, I think nawalan or parang nabawasan ng appreciation sa isa't isa. Kaya meron ditong nanlamig, merong nawala ng gana sa relationship, or even yung mga words of encouragement, no, nagkulang na. Kapag ang isa merong achievement, instead na, to be proud of, appreciate, nagkakaroon ng jealousy, nagkakaroon ng competition, kaya may conflict. Minsan ganun sa relationship. Parang, kung sino yung mas nakakaangat, kung sino yung mas marami na-achieve, sometimes nagkakaroon sila ng superiority complex na sila yung magaling. And yung isa naman nagkakaroon ng inferiority complex na parang naawa siya sa sarili niya. Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. Yes. So, definitely transformation is coming sa inyo, Aries. Pagdating sa relationship, you are changing. Yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon nagbabago. You will also ask or seek guidance sa iba. Pwedeng you will talk to your parents, someone elderly, someone wise, na marami nang alam sa buhay. So, hingi ka ng advice dyan. Or pwede rin namang sila mismo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng advice on what to do moving forward. But definitely for some of you, if you feel na hindi ka na satisfied sa relationship, kahit may love pa doon, or kahit na may nangyayari pa rin sa inyo physical contact, kahit na ganon, kahit na may sexual connection pa rin, may kulang. So you feel like you have outgrow the relationship. And I think more on sa'yo no? It's either sa'yo or dun sa other person na parang individualistic yung pagbabago. Oo. And it's time to, have your own path. Kasi mukhang hindi na kayo pareho ng landas na gustong tahakin. So, I see some endings here and new beginnings for each and every one of you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.